Welcome to AutoReview Pro, the channel where we dive into the most iconic and remarkable vehicles ever made. Today, we're taking you back to the golden age of American automobiles with the 1953 Cadillac Eldorado. A true symbol of luxury and innovation, this classic car defined an era and remains a cherished piece of automotive history. The 1953 Cadillac Eldorado was introduced as a limited production convertible, designed to showcase Cadillac's engineering prowess and luxurious styling. Powered by a 5.4-liter V8 engine, it delivered 210 horsepower, a remarkable figure for its time. The engine was paired with a Hydra-matic automatic transmission, ensuring smooth performance and effortless driving. Known for its reliability and refinement, the Eldorado set a new standard for luxury cars. The design of the 1953 Eldorado was groundbreaking, featuring sleek lines, a low-slung profile, and an unmistakable presence. One of its standout elements was the wraparound windshield, a first for Cadillac and a design cue that would influence the automotive industry for years to come. Chrome accents, unique Eldorado badging, and wire spoke wheels added to its elegance, while the luxurious convertible top gave it an unmatched sense of glamour. Inside, the Eldorado offered a cabin designed for ultimate comfort and sophistication. Premium leather upholstery, power-adjustable seats, and advanced features for the time, such as power windows and a signal-seeking radio, showcased Cadillac's commitment to luxury. Every detail, from the dashboard to the steering wheel, was meticulously crafted to provide an opulent driving experience. Safety and innovation were also key aspects of the 1953 Eldorado. Cadillac equipped the car with advanced features for its era, including a state-of-the-art braking system and an improved suspension for a smoother ride. The Eldorado's construction emphasized durability and quality, ensuring it could handle long journeys with ease. This car wasn't just about luxury, it was also a cultural icon. As one of the most exclusive Cadillacs ever produced, with only 532 units made, the Eldorado was a symbol of status and success. It was often seen in the hands of celebrities and public figures, further solidifying its legendary status. The 1953 Cadillac Eldorado is more than just a car, it's a masterpiece of design, engineering, and luxury. Its timeless appeal and historical significance make it one of the most celebrated vehicles in automotive history. For collectors and enthusiasts, owning an Eldorado represents a piece of the American dream and a nod to a time when cars were not just transportation but a statement of style and innovation. Thank you for joining us on this journey into automotive history. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AutoReview Pro for more detailed reviews, features, and stories about iconic vehicles. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.